Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Are you seeing this dreaded quota exceeded message in Google Drive? In this video, I'll show you how to resolve this issue and manage your storage efficiently. Let's get started. The first step is to understand the quota limit. The quota exceeded message appears when you have reached your daily or total storage limits. Google Drive allows a certain amount of data to be uploaded, downloaded, or shared by day. So this error often happens when you hit the limit. The second thing is to wait for the quota to reset. The easiest solution is to wait for 24-hour period to pass. Your daily quota will automatically reset, and you'll be able to share or download files again. Third option is to check your storage space. If the issue is related to storage space, you'll need to free up space. In Google Drive, click on the storage section in the bottom left corner to see what's taking up space. You can sort files by size and delete large or unnecessary files. The fourth thing you can do is to use Google One to upgrade storage. If you frequently hit your storage limit, you may want to upgrade to a Google One plan. Click the storage bar in Google Drive and choose an affordable plan to get more space. This is especially helpful if you use Google Drive for large files or backups. The fifth thing you can do is manage shared files and links. If you share files with others, make sure they're not downloading or accessing them too often within the same 24 hours. This can trigger the quota limit, especially with large files. Consider restricting access temporarily if needed. And that's how you can fix the quota exceeded issue in Google Drive. If you still encounter problems, waiting for the quota to reset or upgrading your storage should do the trick. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.